I'm joined by Yatsenyuk, who served twice as Prime Minister of Ukraine before the invasion. Mr. Yatsenyuk, thank you very much for joining me. Do you understand why President Zelensky has made this move, and can you explain the motives behind it?
Let me share with you a fresh news. President Zelensky just has issued his video address saying that he is ready to introduce a new bill, which is to provide a comprehensive independence for all anti-corruption agencies in Ukraine, both anti-corruption bureau and anti-corruption prosecutor's office. As a prime minister, I was in driver's seat because this was my government who actually established National Anti-Corruption Bureau, National Anti-Corruption Prosecutor's Office, National Anti-Corruption Preventive Agency, and we even introduced electronic declarations. For the audience, for your audience, I will disclose what these electronic declarations were really about. You are obliged as a public servant even to declare luxurious underwear if you have this kind of underwear. So we made a tremendous progress. And I want to reiterate once again, a tremendous progress in the last decade. Well, could you imagine Chief Justice of Ukraine is behind bars right now? So that's an issue. So as far as I understand, the president has realized that he has actually to reverse the course and to lead the fight against corruption. Under the law that has been adopted, an attorney general received vast powers to procedurally supervise both an independent bureau and prosecutor's office. Yeah, you want to ask something?
So I was going to say, is this a rare example of a political leader listening to protesters in the street and answering and giving them what they want?
Frankly speaking, this was the only option on the table. I do believe that President Zelensky wants to have a strong and reputable legacy as the president and commander-in-chief who is to win the war against Russia and who is to win the fight against corruption in case if he wants to win the re-election. So going back to the Attorney General, the guy who is in this office, he has quite good reputation because he was a chief investigator in the criminal probe against the pro-Russian President Yanukovych, and he did well. Okay, so once again, it's up to them to decide.
So the only thing that the only thing I don't understand is why President Zelensky would have brought in these bills that have caused all the protests and the problems in the first place, why he would have tried to take control or authority or power over these anti-corruption organizations.
I do not support the bill that had been passed. They made a mistake. And I do hope that the president and the entire political establishment will urgently correct this mistake.
All right. Mr. Yatsenyuk, Yatsenyuk, thank you very, very much for clearing that up with LBC.